Hey guys, Paul here. I hope you're having a great day and trading's going well. I've had a few questions recently regarding the alert conditions available on the diamond indicator. So I'll just show you what they are. So these are the different alert, or these ones here are the alert conditions available on the diamond indicator. We've been using the buy signal as our general alert for making purchases, but the other alert condition I wanted to speak about today is the buy BTC.d alert condition. Right. So what this is it filters the buy signal with, so basically an AND gate, with a downtrend in BTC dominance, and I'll explain why. So if you want to use this alert condition, you need to select buy underscore BTC.d, all right, and then go through all the the alert configurations as I've previously spoken about in other videos. And if you haven't seen them, you can take a look on the Diamond Indicator or Diamond Trading YouTube channel, and you can have a look there. All right, but today we're talking about the buy BTC.d alert condition. So what I have here is a split screen. The top window or the top chart is showing a Bitcoin dominance, and the bottom chart is showing Chainlink versus BTC, and also I've overlaid the Bitcoin dominance chart in yellow. All right. So first of all, some people may not know what Bitcoin dominance actually is. So something I've prepared earlier, a basic, basically this is what Bitcoin dominance is. Bitcoin dominance is the ratio between the market capitalization of Bitcoin to the total market cap of the entire crypto market space. So for example, if people are moving funds or money from altcoins into Bitcoin, then we'll see a general increase in the trend of Bitcoin dominance. And the reverse is also true. When we see people moving money from Bitcoin into alts, so into things like Ethereum and Link and DOT and all those types of coins, we'll see a decrease in Bitcoin dominance, or the BTC.d chart. Now, it's important. An important relationship I've found is that when we have a nice downtrend in Bitcoin dominance, we generally have a tick up in the Bitcoin pairs on the altcoins, especially when we have like these sharp BTC dominance downtrends like this. Sideways action is normal for trading. Sideways action can be hard to trade, but when we have these sharp Bitcoin dominance downtrends, it's a great opportunity to trade altcoins on the Bitcoin pairs. And you can see this below. So in the chart below, we have Chainlink versus BTC. And for the purposes of this video, I've shaded the background of the chart in green whenever we have a condition of a downtrend condition in Bitcoin dominance. So you can see here, we have the start of, this is basically just using a super trend on the Bitcoin dominance chart, both charts on the daily time frame. So when we have downtrends in Bitcoin dominance, we have these shaded green areas in the Chainlink Bitcoin chart, right? And just to show you the relationship between the two on the chart. And you can also see when we have these green shaded areas, the Bitcoin dominance is overlaid, and you can see general downtrend patterns in those green areas. All right. Oops. Yeah, I might just maximize this chart now so we can. So now that you understand what we're actually looking at, and so we can maybe see some patterns and how to further use the Bitcoin dominance downtrend with our buy indicator on the diamond indicator to trade Bitcoin pairs. So we're looking at things like trading Chainlink versus Bitcoin, DOT versus Bitcoin, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, those type of pairs. Not recommended for the, well, you might be able to try it, but generally I've been using it for the Bitcoin pairs. It may also work well for USDT or even Ethereum based pairs, but we're going to be using the Bitcoin pair, and I found it works quite well on the Bitcoin trading pairs. So you can see here, when we have areas of green, we have these downtrends in Bitcoin dominance. This is a great example here when we have a nice sharp downtrend in Bitcoin dominance. You can see here that we have this nice upwards trending price action on the Chainlink Bitcoin pair. All right. So in this case here, you can see this sort of buying cluster here would have worked out quite nicely because we had a nice little run up in the Bitcoin pair. And if I were to measure Even the highest purchase price for this pair, it still would have run up a good, look at that, just under 50%. So that's would have been a really nice trade. On the right hand side of this very nice breakdown of the Bitcoin dominance, it went sideways for a while. Even though we had very small trends, we didn't really have a great magnitude or absolute changes. So even though there was some really nice trades here, so these ones here, for even the top one in this green, would have netted something like 35%. And even here, this is obviously wasn't a great buy, but eventually it would have ticked up. But even this one here, it would have netted something around, around 20%. So really great, pretty good trades. And you can see here where we have Bitcoin dominance uptrends, we generally have these downtrends in the BTC pairs, very sharp downtrends, right? I can scroll across and show you some more examples. This would have been obviously a magical example here. If one had made this trade here, it would have been something like almost a 300% gain on the Link BTC pair, trading on the daily time frame, if you had actually had a bot running and purchased this buy signal here. All right, you can see there's a buy here, but there's no corresponding alert condition, so that would not have gone through. In this green zone here, only the first three, you can see the 3 diamonds here, these are the ones that you would have received an alert. This one here probably would have got filtered out from the Fibonacci retrace filter that we use in diamond trading, on the diamond trading indicator. So this is a really great alert condition to use if you're trading the BTC pairs. As you can see, there's been some really great trades here on the Link BTC pair on the daily time frame, and even now you can see that we've started a downtrend in BTC dominance, and you can see here an uptick in the BTC or the Link BTC pair. So, and we even have a little diamond here, so hopefully we'll see a continued uptrend, and that would have also been a really nice trade. Now, how do you use it? So if you're in your chart, say for example Chainlink Bitcoin, or it could have been any other pair, you can either press on this alert button here, or you can go Alt A and you'll have the create alert pop up. You need to use the diamond indicator condition, and then you want to choose your alert condition here, select buy BTC.d once per bar close. You need to set your webhook depending on which platform you're using, whether it's 3Commas or Cryptohopper or some other platform. You can choose a custom alert name, and you need to put in a custom message also depending on which platform you're using. All right, guys. So I just wanted to speak about that today. I had a few people asking about it. If you would like access to the diamond indicator, all you need to do is join our Discord. There's a link in the description on this YouTube channel. My name's Paul. Let me know what your TradingView username is, and I'll add you to the private script, and you'll have full access to the diamond indicator. All right, guys. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon, and good luck trading.